All right, now we're going to go over Lesson 18, written exercise F. The directions say write whether each underlined item is an adjective or an adverb clause. First, we need to review what those are. If the dependent clause is used as an adjective, it is usually introduced and linked to the main clause by a relative pronoun. Those relative pronouns are who, whom, whose, which, and that. And remember in our last video, I said you really need to memorize these so you can quickly pick if your dependent clause is an adjective clause. Next we have, if the dependent clause is used as an adverb clause, it is introduced and linked to the main clause by a subordinating conjunction. Some common subordinating conjunctions include the following. I'm not going to name all of those, but again, you need to have those memorized so that you can quickly pick if your dependent clause is an adverb clause. First sentence, Leon Shanks, who are going to Maryland, spent the night at our place. This is an adjective clause because it describes the subject noun of Leon and is introduced by a relative pronoun, which is who. Number 2, Brother Leon is a man whose company I truly enjoy. This is an adjective clause. The reason why is because it does explain further Brother Leon, and also it is introduced by a relative pronoun, which is whose. Number 3, although his parents were not Christians, he did attend services at a small Mennonite mission. This is an adverb clause. Why? Because it is introduced by a subordinating conjunction, which is although. Number 4, after he became a Christian, his parents started attending church too. This is an adverb clause because it is introduced by a subordinating conjunction. All right, go ahead and stop the video. Remember, we do not have to do G, but I do want you to do H. And the only thing that you need to do on H is diagram the skeleton. This means that you need to diagram the dependent clause, the subject and the predicate, and the independent clause, the subject and the predicate. And if something is linking those two together, make sure you put those on a dotted line.